guys, welcome to another Med in a Minute. In today's video I'll be looking on masturbation. Now masturbation is the act of self-pleasure. Alright, so what are the benefits of masturbation? There are many. Alright, the first one is healthier sperm. That is because study shows that if you don't ejaculate within 5 days, it has a negative effect on your sperm quality and quantity. It is also shown to improve blood flow, especially in the female, and increasing sexual activity as well as masturbation can prevent vaginal atrophy when you go through menopause. It also kills pain naturally by releasing substances during orgasm. Alright, it smooths period cramps. So masturbation during menstruation can actually increase blood flow to uterus, reducing cramps. So try it and let me know and tell me in the comment section. Alright, there's also no risk of STDs, and studies have shown that there is a higher level of self-esteem associated with masturbation. Alright, so what are some more benefits? It can relieve stress. It helps in insomnia, especially when some persons they just can't fall asleep. Alright, it reduces embarrassing spontaneous erection for males and also reduce the number of unwanted wet dreams for young men. So what are 5 common side effects of masturbation? So you feel fatigue, that is extremely tired, reduction in the volume of your semen, poor focus and concentration, slowing down of your metabolism and the promotion of weight gain, and physiological problem. There's also the risk of addiction. So if you think you're addicted to masturbation, please see your doctor. Alright, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.